Okay, this is the KODAK Pony that I have. Let me show you. Taking out the leather case. To the side. Okay, this is the front, the top, bottom, and the back. Show you the glass. The viewfinder is a bit dirty, but just for reference it seems okay lah. Let me take out the back for you. To open the bag, you push this in, then push it down. Then you can open the bag like this. So this is the film compartment. And yeah, these are the different settings that you can do. Focusing. Yeah. Let me show you by loading a test roll of film. So yeah, so we can wind it. Then to fire, we press here. So wind some more. Oh yeah, we can actually adjust the film counter. So I need to find a coin. Yeah, so you need to turn clockwise to set it. So just now it was 0, right? Should be 0 or -1 or something like that. Okay, let's wait at -1. So fire. Then you turn. Fire. Oh, it goes this way. It counts down instead of counts up. Oh, maybe then it should be 2 frames before. So now should be like 0 lor. Yeah, so now is when we can start to shoot. Yeah. Changing the exposure value. I'm not sure if the shutter is moving. How to say? I'm not sure if the shutter is changing speeds, but yeah, we're selling it as it is. But I think maybe it's the same shutter speed, just that the aperture is different. You see, the aperture is a square aperture. Interesting. So this is wide open here. You can see the blade. it stops down, square shape, and then wide open is wide open lah, you know, stops down. So I think it's the same speed that, just say you change the aperture value. Yeah, so there you go. Show you how to rewind. So how you rewind is that you push here, then you bring here. Okay, so it's loose now, and now I can open the thing. Okay, there you go. Thanks everyone.